Welcome to KanBo, Work Coordination Platform. In this video, I will show you how to use notes in your everyday work. It is one of the core features of KanBo. Let's go! Notes are one of the card elements and a great way to provide additional context or instructions for a card. In our example, we want to add a note with a short description of the event for social media. Every note can be improved using the intuitive rich text capabilities. We can always go back and edit it later. Rich text is the ability to apply various text formatting options such as bold, italics, or underline. It also allows users to add bullets, numbering, and even checkboxes to the note. It gives the option to quote and insert useful links with ease. Feel free to customize the look of the text you create. Discover more KanBo features together with us. See you in the next video.